Hi guys! Tara, samahan niyo akong kumain today sa Walk It Out Cubao. Located lang siya sa tapat ng Gateway, Mall 2. As you can see, medyo mahaba na yung pila. Pang 15 ako, but don't worry, mabilis naman umusad. Quick fit check muna, then ganito yung process. Pipila ka, sasagutan mo yung parang exam sheet kung ano yung order mo, ibibigay sa receptionist, tapos pila ulit. After a few minutes, finally, nakaupo na ako inside. This is their menu, guys. Screenshot yun na lang para ma-check nyo yung prices. If you want to know my honest food review, keep on watching!
Hi guys, I'm Krisha. I'm currently at Walk It Out. I'm so happy. First time kong kumain dito. Kasi sabi ng mga tao is pretty similar to sa Din Tai Fung. Ang daming nakapila. The trick is, guys, don't ever look at the time. Don't ever use your phone. Pag tinitingnan mo, mas lalo ka maiinip. Sige po. Thank you po. We have the shrimp fried rice, sweet and sour pork, and then pork wonton chili oil. Ang dami nito, te. And chai with garlic, and then their drinks. This. Ito natin yung drinks, guys. Ang sarap. Sarap niya, in fairness. Sabi kasi nila malasa daw to kahit walang ulam. Medyo matabang. Like may umami siya pero matabang siya. So next we have this. Kasi sweet and sour to. So obviously meron siyang acid. Yung tamis medyo hindi ko malasahan. Meron siyang konting lansa. Hindi naman pa super art sa marikain. Basta masarap siya. Kakainin ko. Lalamunin ko pa rin yan. So next, let's try this one. Ang crave ko talaga to, promise. Chili oil. Ang sarap. I love that. Kasi siyang innovative na master siomai. Sarap. Sarap.
What the dog doing?
Ang sarap ng ulam. Lalo na itong sweet and sour kasi